Assalamu alaikum class 6 in your science video, and today we are going to start new chapter number 4, electrical circuit, and this is from your physics portion, and on book this is on the page number 50. So let's start this interesting chapter. And first of all, let's discuss something about electrical devices, that we depend on electrical devices to do work for us. And the electrical devices which we use in our homes converts electrical energy from one form to another. They are energy changer. For example, torchlight converts electric energy into the light, and microwave or oven converts electrical energy into heat, and speakers converts electrical energy into sounds, and bulb converts electrical energy into light and heat. Remember that it is never safe to experiment with electrical circuits connected to the main supply. To please be careful for yourself and avoid these sorts of experiments in home. Let's proceed to the next topic, conductors and insulators. Electrical conductors allow electricity to pass through them, and electrical insulators do not allow electricity to pass through them. So most materials are either conductors or insulators. Silver, copper, aluminium and carbon means graphite are the examples of conductors, and glass, rubber, wood and plastic are the examples of insulators. Good conductors are used when good electrical flow is needed, for example in electric wiring, and good insulators are used when electrical flow is not wanted, for example surrounding electric wires, electric plugs, sockets and switches, and in glass light bulbs. Insulators basically are important safety devices, and there is also a group of materials called semiconductors. They have special properties when it comes to allowing electricity to pass. Silicon is good example. Semiconductors are used in microchips for computer. Electrical circuits are part of our everyday life. Electrical circuits are made up from electrical components like wire, cell or battery, lamp or bulb, motor, bell, buzzer, switch. So these are the components which are used in circuit, and it is important to connect the components of an electrical circuit correctly. For the electricity to flow easily, circuit connections must be clean and free from grease and dirt. These are called connecting components. Let's talk about more switches. Switches turn electrical circuits on and off. This has two positions, on and off. There are, however, other types of switch. A bell push switch is normally off. It is only on when it is pressed. When the pressure is removed, a springly contact returns the switch to off. A reed switch is operated by a magnet. When a magnet is held close to the switch, the contacts close and the switch is on. The switch is off when the magnet is removed. Reed switches are very useful in burglar alarm circuits. A reed switch is fixed to a door or window frame, and a magnet is fitted onto the door or window. If the door or window is opened, the switch contacts open and the alarm is set off. Hope you have understood it. Thank you very much.